Oliver, your online math tutor. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Panibagong araw, panibagong topic na naman ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Pero bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating discussion na medyo may kahirapan, ay mag-shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout nga pala kay Ma'am Jen Dwalan, ang napaka-hands-on at napakagaling naming grade 8 chairman. Hi bestie, ayan na shoutout na kita. Shoutout din sa aking mga magiging estudyante. Incoming grade 8 students ng Ciudad Nueva de Naik National High School. Maraming salamat mga anak sa pag-subscribe at pagtutok sa ating channel. Hello din sa mga estudyanteng nanonood mula sa ibang mga paaralan. Hello din po sa mga kapwa ko math teachers dyan na patuloy na sumusubaybay. Wag po kayong mag-alala na i-compile ko po lahat ng mga presentation na ginawa ko po para magamit nyo sa inyong Google Classroom. Hello po sa inyong lahat. So, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa simplifying a complex fraction. Ano ba ang complex fraction? It is a rational expression which contains fractions in the numerator and or denominator. So, ito yung halimbawa ng complex fraction wherein yung numerator ay fraction which is yung 2 over x at yung ating denominator ay fraction din which is 6 over x minus 1. Kaya siya tinawag na complex fraction. Wherein meron tayo ditong minor denominator. So, ang minor denominator natin sa numerator ay x. Ang minor denominator natin dito sa denominator ay x minus 1. So, tatandaan nyo lamang na complex fraction siya kapag ang numerator at denominator ay fraction din. So, medyo may kahirapan ang solution at medyo mahaba yung step-by-step process natin kung paano natin masisimplify ang isang complex fraction. So, gagamit ako ng method which is called adding and subtracting method. So, express the numerator and denominator of the complex fraction as simple fractions. Then, divide the fractions and simplify. So, probably we will be using the adding and subtracting of rational expressions with like or unlike denominators. We can also apply the multiplying and the dividing rational expressions. Example, 1 minus 1 half over 2 all over 2. Again, 1 minus 1 half over 2 all over 2. So, the first thing we should do, dun tayo muna sa numerator. Now, 1 minus 1 half over 2. We need to subtract 1 minus 1 half. So, the answer is 1 half over 2 all over 2. Again, 1 minus 1 half is 1 half over 2 all over 2. So, yun po yung una nating gagawin. Yung sa pinakataas po yung ating sinimplify by subtraction. And then, dun ulit tayo sa numerator na 1 half over 2. We need to get the reciprocal of 2. And then, it will become multiplication. Again, reciprocal of 2, yung ating minor denominator sa numerator. So, that will become 1 half times the reciprocal of 2 is 1 half. So, ang kabaliktaran po ng 2 ay 1 half all over 2. Okay? From division, naging multiplication. So, 1 half times 1 half is 1/4. And then, over 2. And then, we just get the reciprocal of the denominator. So, 1/4 times 1 half. So, the answer is 1/8. Okay, so pwede nyo balikan yung video kung hindi nyo agad nakuha sa isang panooran yung aking explanation. So ngayon naman ay magsisimplify ako ng rational expression. So makinig ng mabuti kasi isang example lang yung binigay ko dito. So 3 over x plus 3 plus 1 over x minus 3 all over 4 over x minus 3 minus 1 over x squared minus 9. So that is a complex rational expressions. So, method 1 ang gagamitin natin by adding and subtracting. So, ang una nating gagawin ay tignan lahat ng minor denominators kung factorable. And then, yung una ay x plus 3x minus 3 is prime. We just copy. And then, yung ating minor denominator sa denominator ay x minus 3. At yung isa naman ay x squared minus 9. So, we just copy x minus 3 yung sa pinakababa. And then, yung x plus 3, x minus 3, we just factor x squared minus 9. By what factoring method? So, difference of two squares. Again, ang unang gagawin, ifa-factor lahat ng minor denominators if possible. Then, After factoring, so eto na po siya. The next thing we should do is, ano po ang susunod nating gagawin? Simplify the numerator and simplify the denominator. So, it is addition of rational expression with unlike denominators. So, dun tayo sa numerator. Ang kanyang LCD ay x plus 3x minus 3. We just combine the factors. While the minor denominator of denominator is x plus 3x minus 3. So, dun muna tayo sa numerator. So, solutions, para makuha natin yung numerator is x minus 3x plus 3 divided by x plus 3. Yung denominator ng 3 over x plus 3, we just cancel x plus 3 times the numerator 3. That is 3 times the quantity x minus 3. Again, x minus 3x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 cancel, then times 3. So, eto na po yung ating magiging numerator 3 times the quantity x minus 3. So, we will do the same process to get the other numerators. Okay? Doon naman po tayo sa 1 over x minus 3. Nakasunod po ba? Again, binabalikan lang natin yung rules sa pag-a-add ng rational expression with unlike denominators. So, doon na po tayo sa pangalawang numerator ng ating numerator. So, we have x minus 3, x plus 3 divided by yung denominator niya na x minus 3. And then, we just cancel the common factors, which is x minus 3. And then, times 1, the answer is x plus 3. Then, kokopyahin natin. Ulit, x minus 3x plus 3 divided by the denominator x minus 3. And then, we just cancel x minus 3 times 1. The answer is x plus 3. Okay, nakuha na ba yung numerator? Ulit, ang ginamit nating LCD x plus 3x minus 3, we just divide and multiply para makuha natin yung mga numerators. So, doon naman po tayo sa denominator. Ang kanyang LCD ay x plus 3 and x minus 3. Dun muna tayo sa 4 over x minus 3. So, we just divide x minus 3x plus 3 by x minus 3. We just cancel. Times the numerator 4 equals 4 times the quantity x plus 3. Okay, nakuha ba yan again? X minus 3x plus 3 divided by x minus 3, yung denominator, times 4 equals to 4 times the quantity x plus 3. And then we just copy it. Okay, doon na tayo sa may last numerator ng ating denominator na 1 over x plus 3x minus 3. So, we just divide x plus 3x minus 3 over x plus 3x minus 3. We just canceled out times 1. The answer is 1. Again, yung denominator ng 1 over x plus 3x minus 3, i-divide sa x plus 3x minus 3 dun sa LCD times 1. So, eto na yung ating sagot. Okay? Then, after that, we have the distributive property. We need to multiply yung may mga parentheses. Constant, then yung mga nasa loob ng parentheses. So, we have 3 times x minus 3, we just distribute. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Okay? And then we just copy x plus 3. Sa denominator naman, we will do the same. Multiply 4 times the quantity x plus 3. 4 times x is 4x. And then 4 times 3 is 12. Minus, then copyahin natin yung 1. Again, 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 3 is 12. So, therefore, 4x plus 12 minus 1. Again, we need to distribute. So, na-distribute na natin. So, eto na yung sagot. Now, we need to combine like terms. Ano ba yung mga like terms? Yung variable sa variable at constant sa constant. Doon muna tayo sa numerator. So, 3x combined to x, that is 4x. And then, negative 9 plus 3 is negative 6. So, therefore, kapag kinombine natin yung nasa taas, ang sagot ay 4x minus 6. Next, 4x, kopyahin. Then, 12 minus 1 is 11. Okay? Kinombine lang natin yung like terms ng mga numerator. Okay? Yung numerator ng numerator at yung numerator ng denominator. Nakuha? We just combine like terms. And then, after nating makombine like terms, multiply by getting the reciprocal of the second RE, cancel, simplify, and divide. Okay. So, copy lang natin yung numerator na 4x minus 6 times x plus 3x minus 3 times the reciprocal nung nasa baba. So, therefore, that is x plus 3x minus 3 over 4x plus 11. And then, we just cancel out. We can do the cross multiplication. Sorry, we can cancel the numerator and the denominator. Pwede ding cross. So, we can cancel x plus 3x minus 3. So, yun yung ating common factors. Nakakasunod ba? Again, kapag hindi nasundan yung video, pwede nyo ulit balikan para mas maintindihan. You just copy it on your notebook. And then, the answer is 4x minus 6 over 4x plus 11. So, that concludes my explanation. So, I hope na naintindihan nyo. So, I will be providing, I think, other examples kapag nag-attach ako ng mga worksheets then. So, for your activity, so you need to simplify this one. 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over x. Number 2, 2 over x squared minus 4 plus 2 all over 4 over x minus 2 plus 1 over x plus 2. I guess this topic again is one of the least mastered of the students. Kasi nga from the word complex tapos isi-simplify mo. How can we simplify complex problems? Of course, kapag mga complex problems, talagang step-by-step process. Or talagang mahaba yung proseso bago nyo makuha yung final answer. It's a matter of practice din kasi. It's a matter of practice and mastering the topic. I hope that you will get the answers correctly in the end of this video. So I provided our answer. So here are our answers. For number 1, you have x plus 1 over 2x plus 1. And for number 2, you have 2x squared minus 6 over 5x plus 6. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa bago nating topic. See you on my next video. Bye!